Hi, Shaylin with WTI. Are you a makeup girly like me, and maybe you're always traveling and on the go? Then this deweisn portable light-up makeup mirror is perfect. I absolutely love mine with its built-in stand, compact size, and even 3 light settings. Great for home or travel. You just throw it in your carry-on luggage. It's nice and protected with the cover. I will never travel without it again. So compact, no matter where I'm at, no matter what hotel, no matter how bad the lighting is, I know that I have this with me. So easy to use. All you do is turn it on the back, open it up, has its own little nifty stand as you can see. Just turn it on the mirror. You've got your natural light, your warm light, and your white light. So like I said, no matter where you're at, you're sure to have the right light you need to apply your makeup. First, I'm going to select the lighting, and then I like to hold it up close when I'm curling my eyelashes. But then when I need it hands-free to apply mascara, I select the lighting again, but put it on its stand. And then when I'm all done, you just turn it back off, flip it closed so it's nice and protected, and make sure you turn it off on the back as well. And then pop it back in your carry-on and you're good to go. Another great feature is it is rechargeable. Here I am plugging it in so you can see that the indicator light is showing it is charging. It's just the best travel makeup mirror, and that's my point of view.